Today, I'm going to show you how to use the SEMrush audit function, the site audit function. It's going to be a quick little lesson into how to do that, following on from the previous tutorial on keyword tracking and using SEMrush for keyword tracking. So what we're going to do, we're going to jump straight in and we're going to say, okay, so you've tracked your keywords and you're looking at them here. Next thing you're interested in doing is clicking on the project. Yeah, so your actual project. So it pops up like this. This is actually one I've already done, as you can see, set up 39 weeks ago. So that's all your keyword area, and you can go into there and see your keywords. But what we're going to do is jump in and look at the site audit in a moment. Now, quickly, if you were interested in like how do you actually set up the site audit, we've got the keyword bit here. If we just click the project, so we come through to here, and what we can do is, it pops up here, we can actually get this and we can say site audit setup. And roughly, if you know the size of your site, you can actually work that out. But if it's a big site, you can go custom and specify how many URLs you want them to crawl. Let's just say 200, and we can go to crawl the settings if we want, but I don't really need to. Start site audit. And that will begin crawling. And what you'll end up seeing is this. It will pop through and you can click into there and gauge the issues you've got. And obviously you want to track problems as they're cropping up and actually address them for your client or for your own site. So go to view all issues. And in here we can see a multitude of different errors, warnings, and notices. If we just start at the top, external links are broken. So, internal links are broken. So pages we're actually linking to on our own site are apparently broken links. So we can click through into there and we can investigate and say, okay, so on my contact page, I've got a broken link to my privacy policy there. So, you drill down, you can look into all the pages of different issues of that exact type. One page returning a 404 privacy policy. So, yeah, that seems to be an issue we'd want to address. One page has a www resolve issue, and you can really drill down into there. Some of the key ones I look out for are duplicate content, absolute killers for your SEO, and duplicate title tags, where is that? Duplicate title tags. This is a huge one for killing people's SEO. So you look into there and you can address all of them. And in many times, you can actually use this to build your client's audit that they've commissioned you to do. Or if you're a business owner, you can work on this in your own time and start using this information to better your own business. Things to look out for, like I say, some of the key ones, pages not having meta descriptions. Although it might not impact your SEO, it's worth addressing just for click-through rates. 5 pages having low text HTML ratio. Essentially, that probably is down to just not having enough words on the page, or your developer has coded it or used a theme which is very code heavy, and they're not optimizing their code. So it's also useful with this why and how to fix it, because that gives you an explanation, because this tutorial would be hours long if I went into each issue. But the main point is this can be set up to keep refreshing every week and emailing you the results, which is highly useful just to make sure you're always on your toes. And like I say, I use this to help clients better their results and keep improving, whilst I'm also working on, offsite SEO. So, an indispensable tool. Just make sure you set it to crawl enough pages. As you can see, I set 250 as my the amount, maximum amount to crawl, but obviously there's only 104 that actually got crawled there. And that is using the SEMrush audit function. And if you are interested and you see the value in this, check out the promo code for a 30 days free use of the tool, which I've organized for you through SEMrush. And by clicking any of the links, it actually helps support me and doesn't increase the price at all for your SEMrush subscription. So that's massively helpful. See you for the next tutorial, guys. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.